Hello everyone, this is a video demo for our product. In our proposal, we propose to develop an AI dashboard that is built upon an existing AI tool called MathPal. MathPal is developed by a research team and is currently used by local high school students and teachers. It is installed as a Chrome browser extension. As a non-student learner use Chrome browser, they can install and plug in MathPal at any math page they're working on. Today, I will use Excel as an example. MathPal can be installed on Excel to help students understand math concepts and problem solving. And because it's highly conversational, students can engage MathPal with any kinds of math topics or conversations. For example, if students start a conversation, MathPal will always focus on math. But if students ask off-topic questions, let's say, then MathPal will redirect conversation back to math. So it's a walled garden that makes sure the conversation is always revolving around math. Students ask, and it will provide some information about algebra because it's highly conversational and students might ask follow-up questions. This is a question I always hear in the class. It is too complicated. Make it simple, which I hear that a lot. And then MathPal will accommodate to students' needs and make it simple. Or student might ask to explain what's algebra in a fun way. And with the power of AI, definitely each time when student asks the same question, you'll provide different fun story or scenario for students to better understand what's the math concepts. And also support bilingual or multilingual learners. So it's just part of the function or feature MathPal can provide. A very important feature MathPal provides is that it helps students or support students in problem solving by reading the screen student is working on. For example, student might ask, then MathPal is designed in a way that it will not directly give out the answer. It will only provide steps, strategies, and hints to support students to figure out the answer by themselves, so that students will not use MathPal for cheating or only get answer, but they will use MathPal to learn and to reflect their own learning or problem-solving skills. Students can always engage conversation and ask follow-up questions. And students might ask for more learning strategies or tips in general. The essential feature of MathPal is that every time when students answer the question, MathPal also records students' performance. After students finish all the questions under the certain section, MathPal can provide students with strategies and learning guidance to help students receive better personalized guidance and scaffolding in supporting better math learning outcomes. The only thing is students has to ask MathPal to provide that. Based on our preliminary analysis of student conversational data, it turned out to be most of students just use MathPal to solve problem. Seldom of them ask MathPal about their personal learning performance or how not MathPal help them to reflect upon their performance about the question they get, including their strengths and weakness. So in this case, we think it would be a great idea if we can provide a student dashboard that directly provide those information to students to make it more upfront for students so that students can better understand their conversation with MathPal and what is the personalized learning strategies they can take to enhance their learning journey in the math. So this is the sketch of a prototype of the AI dashboard that students will be using after they engage with MathPal. As we mentioned in the application, this dashboard will provide some visualizations to tell students what's the breakdown or question types students engage with MathPal. For example, there will be a pie chart shows the proportion of students' type of question they ask, like the computational question, conceptual question, or non-relevant questions. And then there will be some summary about their conversational pattern, and then provide some AI prompts to help students better prompt or conversation with or start conversation with MathPal so that you receive more personalized feedback rather than only ask MathPal for problem solving. And there will be another section on the dashboard to show students' current performance. And here will be generated personalized learning strategies based on students' performance. Each individual student will receive different kinds of learning strategies based on their performance and conversations with MathPal. If students want to learn more about it, it will take and dashboard will lead to a resource page. We'll have some resources and practice questions. This dashboard will be built upon a MathPal website where a student will have the login information, register, and then have their own page to show the learning progress, interaction with MathPal. So this is a quick walkthrough of the AI dashboard that we envision to build upon the structure of conversational agent MathPal. Thank you very much for listening.